The 2025 BMW M 1000RR is built to redefine performance in every sense. At its heart is a 999cc inline four-cylinder engine, liquid and oil-cooled, featuring dual overhead camshafts and BMW's revolutionary ShiftCam technology. This high-performance machine produces 218 horsepower at 14,500 revolutions per minute and 113 Newton-meters of torque at 11,000 revolutions per minute. With a compression ratio of 14.5 to 1 and a sky-high redline of 15,100 revolutions per minute, it's engineered to deliver relentless acceleration and maximum efficiency. Precision is everything. A 1,457mm wheelbase and a seat height of 865mm give the M1000RR excellent high-speed stability and aggressive ergonomics, while a lightweight wet weight of only 194 kilograms ensures lightning-fast handling. Every detail, from the carbon fiber winglets to the race-spec suspension and brakes, is made for speed, control, and ultimate performance. With a 16.5-litre fuel tank and advanced electronics for traction, braking, and ride modes, this superbike isn't just fast, it's intelligent. The M1000RR isn't made for everyone. It's made for those who demand nothing less than perfection. Love motorcycles, scooters, and everything two wheels? You're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and ride with us at Aries Communication.